In today's world, we are constantly surrounded by images, social media, magazines, and advertisements. Everywhere we look, there's an idea of what perfect should look like. And it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking we have to look like that to be good enough. We look at our physical selves and compare. We focus on our flaws and start believing they define us. But here's the truth. Your physical self is more than just a reflection. The mirror doesn't show the whole picture. It can't capture your strength, your energy, or your heart. It only reflects what you see on the surface. And sometimes that doesn't feel like enough. But the way we look doesn't define our worth. We've been taught to perfect what's seen on the outside. But who decided that your natural, real self wasn't beautiful enough? Who told you that your body just as it is wasn't worthy? The truth is, all bodies are beautiful. Every shape, every size, every mark, every curve. They tell a story. Your story.
Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well today. Now we're diving into something really personal and meaningful. Physical self is a topic that's sometimes overlooked, but it is such an important part of understanding who we are. So I'm not doing this alone, so we've got some amazing participants who will share their opinions and experience about their physical self and what makes them unique. Without further ado, let's go. Hello, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, hello. My name is Julis Milin M. Inocencio, 18 years old from Lipa City Colleges under the course of BS Nursing.
I am naman Jefferson Piroli, 18 years old, from BSU Batangas, Alamelan Campus, Electrical Engineering.
Hi, I'm Nodine Sarmiento, 18 years old from PUP Santo Tomas, and my program is Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering.
Are you confident or insecure about your physical appearance? Why?
Of course, I am confident. Kaya ko ang sarili ko and I don't need other opinions para maging confident ako.
I'll say that I'm more like a 50-50 type of person. Sometimes I do feel insecure about things, but most of the time, I am confident about myself.
Siguro confident ako ngayon dahil marami nagsasabi sa atin na pogi daw ako eh. Sabi lang nila, hindi ko naman sila nagsabi. Confident ako.
See yourself as beautiful because other people tell you so.
Yes.
Yes.
Of course, pag sinasabihan nila akong maganda or pretty, mas lalo tumataas sa confident ko. Lalong nadadagdagan ang 50% na confident ko.
Sabi nila eh. Sabi nila, gwapo ako ba? Na parang mataas yung confidence.
Because I am beautiful. That's what other people told me. Then I would believe that. Even if that is just a joke, I would still believe it.
What do you believe is your best physical feature and why?
Oh, for me, eyes. And eyes only. I can look at you, stare at you with it, show my emotions with it. That's all.
So a lot of people say na it's my hand. And I like my hands very much.
Siguro itong part na sumata ko sa akin. Kasi marami nang masasabi ng kanya rin. Mata ko tsaka kilay. Nandun sila na-attract.
Are there certain physical traits in others that you admire or wish you had?
Meron yung kasi nakita ko yung mga nag-gym, medyo pinag yung katawan nila, yung ganito tipo. Eh ako medyo quiet, parang gusto ko rin palakan.
What do you think people will think of you based on your physical appearance?
A lot of people nagsasay sa akin, for first time nila ako nimimit is si Mataray ako or si Plata. But, first time naman nila yun, but so on, pag nakilala nila ako, mas nagiging okay naman.
Oh, for those people who is meeting me the first time, some of them told me that I look like I wanted to kill someone. That's the truth. But some of them told me that you look like a sweet person, you're approachable. Yeah, that's all.
Sabi nila, pogi daw ako. Sabi na, hindi na alam matatawa. Tapos, siguro mabait. Sabi nila, mabait din ako eh.
Have you ever experienced discrimination about your physical appearance?
Yes naman. naman. So, a lot of people say na, ang payat-payat mo, kumain ka naman. And a lot of people say, bakit ganyan yung kain mo? Marami ka bang sinasayang na pagkain? And conscious ako dun. But, hindi ko naman sila kilala or may pakialam sa buhay ko, kaya ignore ko na lang.
Yes, a lot of times, but don't give a f. Yes, I did already experience discrimination, but I don't really care about it since that's their opinion, that's their life, and they have nothing to do with me. I am me, you are you. Love yourself.
Yes, na-experience ko. Kumbaga, nung bago pa lang, katulad nung bago pa lang na pasukan. Parang yung mga klase ko, sila parang gusto nila akong kausapin, nag-approach sila sa akin. Parang yun, parang sa iba, parang hindi nila ina-approach na.
So my next question is, do you treat someone differently based on their appearance?
Of course, no. Kasi, what if that person is having a bad day and ganun yung itsura niya? And may mga days na nagiging slay siya or nagiging ayos siya. Tapos yung day na yun yung abutan mo. Of course, not. May kanya-kanya tayong peace at may kanya-kanya tayong galaw.
No, because some people do have a face of like they look like they could kill someone. They look like they could punch someone immediately, but it's actually a seat part. That is actually an example why you shouldn't judge a person based off their physical appearance.
Hindi, hindi ako natingin sa panglabas na idea. Pantay-pantay natin
Do you think physical appearance plays a big role in friendship, relationship, or even in the workplace?
If sa work, of course, kailangan natin, we need to impress your employer and others so matatanggap tayo sa trabaho. Pero pag friendship or relationship, of course, hindi na kasi tanggap nila tayo at kaibigan natin sila for a reason.
For friendship and relationship, it doesn't actually play a big role because you can be yourself when you're around the people you love, your friendship or your relationship. But for workplace, you do need to dress appropriately to show nothing but professionalism.
Hindi siya, parang wala siyang basehan na kung kunwari siya, kahit pagkakaibigan, kahit pangit ka o maganda, basta kaibigan ka, hindi kaibigan ka, hindi ko nabasa sa ito.
Do you feel conscious about your surroundings regarding your physical appearance?
Oo, minsan talaga pagka, kunwari maraming tao, parang kailangan makaisang itsura ko, parang dapat maganda ang tingin nila sa akin. Siyempre kakaya naman pagpangit.
Of course naman, kapag may mga tao hindi ako kilala or hindi ako familiar sa surroundings ko, pero sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, once ko lang naman nakita yan, bakit pa iisipin?
Oh, I do feel sometimes conscious about things and people around me, but that doesn't necessarily happen all the time.
Have you ever compared yourself to people on social media?
Of course, nakakompare ko ang sarili ko at hindi ko iniiwasan. At sinasabi ko na maybe it's just not for me, hindi yun affording ko. Kaya sinasabi ko na meron akong sarili kong ganda and I'm confident na yun.
Oh, I only compare myself to the people who share their academics. But other than that, like people who show off their cleavage, nothing. I don't like that.
Siyempre, meron, hindi man parang naiinit, parang pagwa, pineto, minsan lang.
Can you give artist?
Si Joshua Garcia.
So, is there anything you want to change about yourself?
No.
Siguro wala.
I don't want to change anything about myself.
Kasi tanggap ko kung ano and I will love myself no matter what.
Parang okay na ako sa ganito.
I don't see a reason why I need to change myself.
Your physical self is yours, and it's amazing. It carries you through life, helps you experience the world and express who you are. So why let the outside world tell you it's not enough? You are not just a body to be judged. You are a whole person. worthy of love, confidence, and acceptance just as you are. Remember, you are not defined by what you see in the mirror, but by what you feel inside and how you carry yourself. Your physical self is a part of who you are, but it's not all you are. If you ever feel like your physical self isn't enough, or if you are struggling with how you see your body, you are not alone. Reach out for support. Talk to someone who can help. There's help and there's love. Always. You are more than enough, just as you are. Your body is beautiful. You are beautiful.